So today we're here at Dyno Motorsports with my buddy Mike's car. He's been building this a long ass time. This thing's come a long way. This used to be just a black auto G35 Coupe. Today it sits here with not only just a simple manual swap, as if that's not enough. This one's got a built motor and a Momentum single turbo kit. This guy went a long way. A lot of work done on this motor. Kinetics and SSV manifold. Literally everything. So much work. Been wrenching on this for quite a while. It's finally ready here for the dyno. The wheels are not on yet. They're not ready. They're almost done. But he has some pretty nasty wheels going on with some PSS tires and stuff. So he's doing this build really nice. Charge speed rear bumper, strafe rear trunk. And that trunk's actually carbon fiber. But it's mostly painted. Just left a lip carbon, which is really nice touch. Stock side skirts at the moment. And he's running the factory 06 bumper. Even though the car's an 04. So one of the biggest projects, I know you guys are gonna ask me a lot of questions, but the manual swap was a huge job. Got gauges up there. He's like one of the only guys we know to actually do a manual swap in this car, which is I'm still like totally just that enough is pretty crazy. But yeah, he's hoping to hit like over 500 wheel, and I'm sure he can do it. So let's as soon as the tuner's ready, I'll check back on you guys in a little bit. Four seventy torque. Oh, that's way different. What he's gonna do is